So a very good afternoon and warm welcome to all of you in this valedictory function of the 5 days online Atal FDP on trends and measurement and control for system automation from 28th June to 2nd July 2021, which was sponsored by AICT. I welcome Professor S. Chakraborty, Professor and Head and Convener of the FDP, my colleagues, students and delegates in this valedictory function. Over the last 5 days, we have had deep insights into several issues and trends in measurement and control for system automation. The expected outcome of FDP was to spread awareness among the fraternity of technical education towards improvements in different areas of industry, especially in the field of measurement and control. First of all, being the coordinator of FDP, I welcome all of you in this valedictory function. This is a very important activity of a workshop or FDP. Now I will present a brief activity report of the FDP. During the last 5 days, we had a number of sessions. On the first day, on 28th, we had the keynote address by Mr. Sharad Chandra Kumar, Chief Tata Steel. He presented his lecture on new automation and instrumentation initiatives in process plants. He discussed on the importance of automation in Tata Steel industry. The lecture was followed by the talk by Dr. Subhajit Ghosh from NIT Raipur. The topic of his talk was sensors for wide area monitoring and control of power networks. He mentioned about the different types of sensors used in wide area monitoring. He also talked about the use of sensor technologies in magnetic core instrument transformers under different practical operating conditions. After his talk, Dr. Satyasai Jagannath Nanda from NIT Jaipur presented his talk on nature-inspired computing tools, advanced optimization techniques and their applications. He highlighted the importance of various algorithms that are inspired from the behavior of ants, birds, spider, wolves, and whales. He also presented various applications of these algorithms. On the second day, on 29th June, the first lecture started with a lecture by Dr. Dushmanta Kumar Mahanta from Tripoli Department. He delivered his lecture on synchrophasor-based wide area measurement and control for smart grid. His session was containing a lot of valuable information about the current trend of synchrophasors that can be used for phasor measurement units. Then Dr. Umesh Chandrapati from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering from NIT Rourkela, he delivered his lecture on image-based non-invasive dimension measurement of real-world objects. His session focused on recognizing different human activities from the video surveillance. Then the next lecture was by Dr. Subhendu Roop, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from IIIT Bhubaneswar. He delivered his session on video synopsis and intelligent video surveillance framework for smart cities. He explained different algorithms like hybridization of simulated annealing and Jaya algorithms, and also hybridization of simulated annealing and teaching learning based optimization method. He also shown the importance of these algorithms to get the synopsis of any video. Then on the third day, on 30th June, the first session began with the session by Mr. Vivek Kapila from Mecon Limited, Ranchi. He presented the talk on measurement and control in steel rolling mill automation application. He discussed about the importance of automation in steel rolling mill. He also described different types of industrial automation and advantages of each automation. In the second session, Dr. Ritu Snigdha from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from BIT Mesra, she presented the lecture on data handling for cyber physical systems. She mentioned the three-tier architecture and different components of cyber physical systems. In the third session, Professor Vidyathar Subudhi from IIT Goa presented the talk on control of autonomous underwater vehicles. He mentioned some of the significant advances made in the field of autonomous underwater vehicles. He also discussed about the classical methods used in ocean exploration and highlighted the importance of motion control systems with kinematics of autonomous underwater vehicles. On the fourth day, we had the first session by Mr. Vivek Bansal, educator of meditation and yoga philosophy from Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. He gave his lecture on mental and emotional growth. He discussed about how the emotions and feelings are driven by our thoughts. Right thought and can make a person happy, and a happy person can change the world. He has described different types of parameters like intelligent quotient and emotional quotient in the human being. He also differentiated between positive emotions and negative emotions. In the next session, Dr. Sudhanshu Kumar Mishra from Department of EEE BIT Mishra. The session was on nature-inspired artificial neural networks application and MATLAB implementation. So basically, he focused on the hands-on practice of these optimization algorithms through MATLAB. He also highlighted on some recently developed variants of artificial neural networks and methodology of hybridization with nature-inspired optimization techniques. In the third session, Dr. Nevar Neogi and Mr. Deepak Kumar from RDCIS SAIL presented the lecture on automation systems in steel industry, challenges and opportunities. They mentioned about some of the significant advances made in the field of steel industry. He highlighted the importance of various roles of automation in energy, environment, and asset management. On the fifth day today, the first session began with the session by Mr. Subrat Kumar Swai, Assistant Professor in the Department of EEE, BIT Mishra, and presently a PhD scholar at Kyungpook National University, South Korea. He conducted a lab session on lateral control of automotive vehicles. His session contained a lot of valuable information about state-of-art of automated control of vehicles, considering uncertainty parameters such as road friction. It also focused on mathematical modeling of vehicle dynamics. We also shown some simulation work based on MATLAB simulation platform. In the next session, second session, Dr. N. Salva Ganeshan, professor in the Department of Avionics, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, delivered his lecture on nonlinearity. He focused on some problems and limitations centered around nonlinear systems. In this session, he explained effective tools for designing control system for nonlinear systems. He also explained detailed mathematical analysis for stability of different nonlinear systems nicely. And this is all about the brief activity report of the FDP. I thank you all for joining this Atal FDP. Now I would request Professor X. Chakravarti, Professor and HOD and convener of the FDP, the Department of EEE BIT Mishra, to say a few words about the FDP. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Vijay Lakshmi, for giving me the opportunity. A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to all the participants, the faculty members, respected deans, heads of the departments, and other dignitaries from AICTE, BIT Mishra, and other organizations in this valedictory session of Atal Academy, organized by EEE Department of BIT Mishra, Ranchi. I'm really honored to have the opportunity to be here in the valedictory session of the week-long online AICTE Training and Learning Faculty Development Program, organized by the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department of BIT Mishra, Ranchi, which started on 28th of June 2021. The theme of the present FDP is Trends in Measurement and Control Engineering in System Automation. The duration of the program was from 28th to 2nd July. So today we have reached the last day. I congratulate Professor Vijay Lakshmi, the coordinator of the program, for conducting the program successfully in spite of this pandemic situation. I congratulate all the faculty members, the eminent speakers, as well as the participants from every corner of the country for supporting and smooth running towards successful completion of the sessions. The vision of the FDP is to empower faculty to enhance quality of higher education. The main objective of this Atal FDP is to impart quality technical education among the faculty members of the technical institutions of the country in fostering research, innovation, and entrepreneurship through training in emerging areas. This particular FDP is focused to develop the importance of measurement and control strategies in automation of industries for various fields of engineering. This refers to the new phase of industrial revolution, which includes the automation using conventional as well as modern technologies such as machine-to-machine communication, Internet of Things, and so on, without the need of human intervention. The FDP is aimed to introduce and enlighten the faculty members and students belonging to various AICTE approved degree and diploma level technical colleges or institutes from all over India about the recent developments and challenges in system automation. It also provided a platform for college teachers to enrich their knowledge in teaching and provides vast scope for research in new and challenging areas of measurement and control. I'm sure that the participants of the FDP had a great opportunity to listen and interact with eminent professors and scientists from various leading universities and research institutes in India. These few hours of learning do not actually provide sufficient time for a learner. Over the past few days, we have had deep insights and exposure to the several developments and challenges in the multidisciplinary areas of system automation. We had several lectures and seminars related to the topic. In addition, we also provided hands-on practice in platforms like MATLAB, LabVIEW, etc. with the new technologies. This is actually just a beginning, and the entire future for the participants is there to groom themselves for a challenging environment. I hope through this academy, you have enjoyed a lot, you have learned a lot, and you have come across faculties from across the country who might have now become friends in this common platform, and you can exchange your views and ideas. And in this connection, during in future, you can build or innovate new technology jointly or in collaboration. So we had topics diverse in which were diverse in nature, starting from industry to mental state, as was discussed by Professor Vijay Lakshmi. We had faculties from various recognized international level institutions like IITs, NITs, BIT Mesra, and other institutes, Triple IT. So we had even we had insight into the special topic like control of autonomous underwater vehicles, and you had a good exposure of the industrial automation and the advantages. You had a good exposure to the industry with the industry persons and the industry experts. They have given you good insight about the modernization, modern technologies which are uh, required to revolutionize the industries. So with this, I would like to thank all the faculty members of our department. I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Indranil Martin, to give his support and encouragement to conduct this program. I hope now I would like to have the feedback from the participants, how you have learned and how much you can utilize the knowledge which you have gained through this FDP. Thank you. Thank you all.
So now it's time for the feedback session. It is a very important activity of any workshop or FDP, as it helps to improve the quality of the FDP in future. So I request the participants to give both types of feedbacks, both positive and negative, because there is importance of both. Positive feedback helps to motivate and encourage in conducting this type of event in future also, and whereas the negative feedback helps in removing the deficiencies and improving the quality of the FDP. So participants. Although you'll be having the online feedback in AICTE portal, but here also we want some feedbacks so that we can directly hear from you.
Actually, madam, if there was some, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
if there was some beforehand study material that we could just learn and then offer with the classes, that would be better, because entire
Okay.
with the topic only, when classes occur, then if we are not accustomed with the topic, then it's hard for us to learn. The topic which we know, that is perfect, but that topic which we don't know, that would cause some problem. It has
Okay,
to.
please introduce yourself. Please introduce yourself first. We will try to incorporate all these suggestions.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Myself, V.A. Kamble from Textile and Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. So I learned lot of things from your training program FDP. So I liked most the presentations related to mechanical engineering. I am from mechanical engineering discipline. I am teaching this control engineering subject, but in this workshop I got number of applications. So I liked the presentations related to rolling mill, then steel power plant, and other examples where that control engineering techniques were used. So thank you all of us. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. We try to incorporate all the trends which are these days used in the steel industry. There were people from SAIL, there were people from Mekon and Tata Steel.
Yes, I listened on those presentations. Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Actually, Professor Vijay Lakshmi, this will be going to be uploaded on YouTube, as you told. So all the sessions are getting uploaded there. They can have the lectures of the sessions.
We are providing the materials also, PPTs and PDF files we are providing.
If possible, madam, presentation videos may be added.
These lectures are being recorded and the link will be, and this will be uploaded in the YouTube channel and the link will be given to the AICTE. So anytime anyone can go through those links and connect with YouTube to see these videos.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you.
Myself, Ruchira Jadhav from Somaiya Engineering College.
If possible, please switch on your camera, ma'am.
I have a little problem with my bandwidth, madam.
Okay, no problem. Please continue.
So, first of all, I would like to congratulate Vijay Lakshmi madam for handling it single-handedly, the entire sessions without any glitch, without any mistake, and it was done beautifully. All the speakers were very good, very well chosen, and we got lot of information, lot of knowledge, and which can be used to enhance the students' perspective also, with the practical knowledge that was given and hands-on training that was given, and various speakers took lot of trouble to make us understand the things, and it's really appreciable, and please keep up the good work. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, so much. Thank you so much for the appreciation. Due to shortage of time, we were not able to show a lot of things to you.
Yes,
So,
madam.
I
Yes.
apologize for that.
Actually, even hands-on, if it was given more, we would appreciate it actually.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, next time we will try.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, you want to say anything? Vijay Kambli, sir?
No, madam, just I have discussed.
Okay, no issue. Yes, sir.
Hello, Vijay ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I have been submitted without name and email because I have received that link.
Okay, no issue.
Now I
I
have
will
seen
open the
there
link.
is a name and email option. So I want to just resubmit.
Okay, I will open the link after this session again.
Okay, please.
Okay.
Vijay ma'am,
Yes, yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, somewhere in MS Team portal, my name is written as Kaushal Chandra Barot, and somewhere in as a username of my email ID Kaushal Power. So it will make any problem for attendance?
If I find any problem in marking the attendance, I will contact you through WhatsApp.
And the whatever material you have uploaded on MS Team will remain forever, or it will be lasting in 1 or 2 days?
I don't think it will be removed. It will be there.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I have sent the materials to you through the mail also.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Any other feedback?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, Bhaskar, ma'am.
Yes, please continue.
Yeah, ma'am. This only one. My suggestion is, whatever the lab sessions is there, now, madam. Your today morning also one lab session is there related to the simulation. And this in that one, I need some more efforts in that one to practice that models.
Okay, sir, I sent me the materials, but due to shortage of time, I was not able to send it to you. I will send.
Yeah, yes.
You have given me
Thank
the
you.
material.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, madam.
Yes, yes, sir, please.
Yeah, all the sessions were very nice, but I have a small suggestion. It would have been better if you reduce the lecture time, because we had listened to all the lectures for 2 long hours. So if they were planned for 1 hour or 1.5 hour with a gap of half an hour, it would have been better. It's a small suggestion.
Actually, yes, sir, I understand. Actually, that was according to the AICT scheme document. They have given the session like that only, but it was 1.5 hour of lecture and half an hour of interactive session. but the people continued talking for a long
Yes,
time, 2
yes,
hours,
yes,
and more than 2 hours. Some people
yes,
continued.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
that I
that
understand, but
yeah, that was the only concern. Otherwise, the thing all were good. Yes, ma'am.
okay, thank you. Any other feedback? I think no more feedbacks.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. I'm Tilagam. I'm talking from Tamil Nadu. Ma'am, sessions were very nice. I really it was really useful to me. Even that steel rolling mill and optimizations program were especially very good, ma'am. You handled very nicely, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Anamika from BIT Meshra. Ma'am, I would really like to thank the entire department, especially HOD ma'am and ma'am you also, for conducting such a learning experience. Uh, the past 5 days has been a very good learning experience for us. Ma'am, due to this pandemic, we were not able to do any industry visit. So learning from the people from the industry, the automation process, ma'am, it was very helpful for us. Then again, ma'am, learning from the experts from various institutes and acquiring the knowledge that they have acquired through years of experience and research, ma'am, it was a great opportunity for us. And ma'am, there were few topics that have really piqued my interest, like ma'am, artificial intelligence in video surveillance and ma'am, underwater autonomous underwater vehicles. So ma'am, I would like to explore those fields more. And ma'am, the recorded ma'am videos will really help me in that. So ma'am, thanks again.
Okay, thank you for your suggestion and appreciation. Okay, any other feedback? Okay, I think no more feedbacks. So we'll now move to
Good
the
evening.
next. Yes.
Vice President of Technology. This is very useful because I'm trying to PhD on this
You
topic,
are not properly
and
audible, ma'am.
really this is a great. Hello,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I have learned. I have learned so many things in this session, ma'am. Actually, this FDP is helpful to me more and more. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now I think there are no more feedbacks. So coming to the next session, that is the vote of thanks. So I'll be giving you the vote of thanks, you and everybody. Professor S. Chakravarti, Professor and HOD, and convener of the FDP, Department of EEE, VIT Misra, my colleagues, students and delegates. Being the coordinator of the workshop, it is my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I am thankful to all the participants for virtually joining us in this FDP at BIT Misra. It has been pleasure to host all the participants of the FDP at BIT Misra. The participants were very enthusiastic. We have been fortunate to host the eminent participants from different parts of the country. I am sure that the participants must have benefited by attending this FDP. I am very thankful to the sponsor of the workshop, All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE. Without their generous financial support, it would have been impossible to organize this FDP. I am sure that we will continue to get financial support from AICTE to organize this type of events in future also. I am very thankful to Professor Indranil Manna, Honorable Vice Chancellor BIT Mesra, for his inspiring mentorship. I am also thankful to BIT Mesra administration in general for providing us with all possible support towards organizing this FDP. I thank all the speakers of this enthusiastic participation in this FDP and sharing their expertise with the participants in this FDP. I thank Professor C. Jagannathan, Dean of Research, Innovation and Entrepreneurship, BIT Mesra, for his unwavering support. I acknowledge the continuous support and advice received from senior professor like Dr. Dikke Mahanta towards successful organization of this FDP. I thank all the faculty and staff members of the department and organizing committee of members who have given their precious time to successfully organize this workshop. It is difficult to mention the names of each and every person here, but specifically I want to thank Mr. Prem Prakash, Dr. Aftab Alam, Dr. Deepak Kumar, Dr. P.K. Upadhyay of this department. I thank each and everyone in this department for their kind cooperation. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the students for their cooperation towards successful completion of the FDP. Mr. Prabhat Ranjan Tripathi and his team have worked a lot. We have been fortunate to have a team of very motivated and dedicated students like them. Once again, I thank one and all for their active participation in this FDP towards successful completion of the FDP. I thank each and everyone who has assembled here or who have directly or indirectly supported the FDP. Thank you very much. Now I would thank you. Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to announce that due to some problems during conducting the quiz, some participants are not able to submit it properly. So I'll be opening the link for 10 minutes more after this event. Okay? Are you listening?
Okay, madam. Okay.
I will open the link for 10 minutes more. You have to submit the quiz with your name, email ID, and phone number. Okay? Okay, thank you very much.
Madam,
Yes.
Madam, Vijay, madam.
Excuse me,
Yes.
Ma'am, we will submit one more time, madam, because my mail ID also has given wrong. That's why.
That's what I'm telling. You will be given 10 minutes more after this event.
Okay, okay, madam.
I'll be opening the link.
Okay, madam.
I'll be sending the link again in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, madam.